Hello class, I am Isis Eaton, and today I will be going over my case study project and the journey I went through while completing this case study on utilitarianism as the main component. The thinking strategy I used to brainstorm my case study and research was persuasion and a big attention grabber. I wanted to utilize these strategies to get the readers thinking on the terms of the greater good for all and not just for themselves. In the beginning, I was able to use my visual learning skills to come up with ways the VA Medical Center was in fact beneficial in providing care for our veteran population. As I worked through the assignment, I was able to reach out to my classmates and professor and implement their thoughts and suggestions into my portfolio project. I used my problem-solving thinking ability throughout this project to give me better examples and provide a strong argument on why I disagree with the stance in my case study. The process with the portfolio project was reaching and understanding some basic principles of ethics and what are some ethical challenges related to the experience at the VA Medical Center for a patient who had just found out they had to do dialysis for the rest of their life. The strategies that were most beneficial to this project was technological literacy and how these articles straightened my argument. I was able to be very productive with providing factual arguments on how the VA helped and served millions of people still today. I will be able to use the evidence later in my future to understand there are two sides to every argument. The information learned in this project will allow me to understand ethics in a way to handle a situation where unethical actions are being made. I can have a better understanding with my patients I interact with and be empathetic to their feelings, but still educate them on the treatment options as well as prevent patient decline. Brainstorming and scholarly journal research, in my opinion, has helped me best with my portfolio project. In my portfolio project, 3 workplace capabilities stuck out to me the most were tolerance, persuasion, and technological literacy. I believe tolerance was needed to deal with this type of case study. In the case study, a nurse had to have tolerance to deal with the patient's girlfriend, as well as the girlfriend having the tolerance to deal with the patient for the sake of her declining boyfriend. Persuasion helped me because in my portfolio project, it was based on getting readers on my side. My project was very persuasive in getting the readers to understand the VA Medical Center and acting utilitarianism when the healthcare community. Lastly, technological literacy was a major factor within my project. I used these scholar, journals, and internet articles to help me dive more in depth about the issues with adequate health care within the veteran population. These workplace capabilities are very important to my future career because I will be required to use all of these qualities to pursue my career as an administrator at an assisted living facility. I need these certain qualities to be successful within the healthcare environment. Thanks for listening.